Hi and welcome back to CC Convos. Today I'll be sharing with you my everyday carry. My first video on this channel was of my everyday carry, but since then it's changed a little bit. I do like to keep my everyday carry pretty minimal, so I'll be sharing that with you right now. Me Noni. This is Nona. When I get home, I make it a point to just drop everything that's in my pockets in this little recycled box that is in my drawer so that I never lose it and I always know where it is. Thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing. And I would love to know what y'all carry down in the comments below.